Casa. Ciao Virillo.
Penny, you sure you want to eat right now? I was thinking about going for a walk.
The door is Mars.
Would you like to go? Ooh, that ear